Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to enter coordinate on Google Maps. So let's get started. First, open the Google Map on your device. Now locate the locations through search bar, or you can even use your fingers to pinch it and drag the search bar or search icon to your location as well. Now after you have complete the or confirm the location, then simply scroll down and copy the decimal degrees available there. Once you copy it, enter the coordinates in your search bar and initiate for the search. Now Google Maps will display the location corresponding to the entered coordinates. You can zoom in or out and explore the area as needed. So guys, by following these steps, you can easily enter coordinates on Google Maps and view the corresponding location. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.